Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change variants and price in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to change variants and price on, click on this edit website button. I'm now inside my website builder, and first I need to switch to my online store management area. Then go to products. Let's work on this product with 4 variants. Click on it like that. Now to change variants, it's simple. Just scroll down to the options section, and here you will see the available options of variants available for this product. In my case, I have 4 variants for this option of color. Now to change this, it's simple. Just click on it like that. This window pops up. Now you can edit the option name. For example, let's call it size. And here you can also edit the variants. For example, small, medium, large, and X large, for example. You can even add new variants by clicking on add new. Let's call it double XL. Click on save, and just like that, I've changed the variants. You can also edit the variants images and prices from manage variants. Click on it. You will see this new window called manage variants. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. You will see this new window called Manage Variants. Now to pick a different image for each variant, just click on this little pen, and when you have multiple photos uploaded, you can select them from here. Instead of, let's add multiple photos, images. Those are 2 new images. And once uploaded, just go back to manage variants, click on the same little pen, and you will see the available photos for this product. Let's say this is the photo of this variant. Just pick it, you will see it added here. Same thing for the other variants. You can also edit the variant price from here. The discounted price is optional. Same thing for the SKU and weight. And if you can also track quantity for each variant. Let's say you have just 10 of the small size, and for the medium you have 20 t-shirts medium. You can also track low stock for each variant. Let's say when my stock reaches 5, I got a notification. I got a, it's not a notification, but I think yes, we can call it a notification. Click on save. Here I must you or add a price, $20, 25, 30, 35. I have 20 of each variant. Click on save. After that, Don't forget to hit this save button. Till now, these variants and price changes are not published online. So you need to go to the website builder, I mean this page, and click on this update website button. Now let's view my website live. Go to shop or products. This is my product. And this is the variant photos. As you see, they are showed when I select a variant. And same thing for the price. Where is the price? As you see, it adjusts depending on the selected variant. And this is how to change variants and price in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.